Hey guys, thanks for tuning in today. We got ourselves going off to send our parts off to paint today. We got the bike stripped down, ready to go. We got all the parts off, and like I said, we're going to be taking off today. Another cold day here in Cleveland. It's, I don't know, 37, 38. At least the rain had stopped. So what we're going to do is we've already got the parts loaded up into the vehicle, and we're going to take off here shortly and head down to Rich to set us up with another killer paint job. Like I said, the bike's all stripped down. We got all the tins and everything else off that we're going to go ahead and get painted on here. So she is ready to go. We're going to be setting her up and making her look beautiful like our blue 21 Street Glide here. It's going to look very similar. What we're going to do is a Brandywine candy red fade into black. The black will also incorporate the Brandywine candy metal flake in it, so when it's out in the sun or in shiny lights, it will just sparkle like a gem. Going to hook it up with a fatty front tire. This particular build will not be blacked out, but will be chromed out to the max. Got all kinds of goodies for it. Okay, I had stated in the other video, gauge bezels will be red, LED red, gauges when they're backlit instead of the stock orange. She's going to be beautiful, similar to the bike, like I said, like this. Like I said, it's a cold day here in Cleveland, about 38 degrees. The rain did finally stop. And we got our parts loaded up, ready to go. Front fender, rear fender, tank. So stay tuned, guys. We're going to be set it up, ready for the new owner that is going to be one of our subscribers to our channel. We're going to give that away at the end of this build. So right now we're waiting on our rims, our fatty front tire rim, our rear rim to match. A couple other goodies are going to be coming in. From that point, we'll be showing, putting it back together and giving it away at the end. So please like, share, and subscribe.